Good day, everyone. So, welcome again to our math classroom with your teacher Dan. So, for today's video, we're going to discuss the volume of a cube and the volume of a rectangular prism. So, a volume is the number of cubic units needed to fill the shape. It is the amount of space that is occupied by the space figure or the 3D figure. And to find the volume of a cube, okay, we're going to use the formula volume of a cube is equal to S, or the side, raised to the third power, or S cube. Or we can simplify that as V is equal to S times S times S. You're going to multiply the side 3 times. Okay? And the formula in finding the volume of rectangular prism is equal to volume, or V is equal to length times your width times your height. So let's begin with our question number one. With it is a cube, so we're going to use the formula V is equal to S to the third power, or S cube. Okay, so we're going to write first our formula, which is V is equal to S times S, which is the value of S, or the side, is equal to 5. So 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5, that is 25, times another 5. So we have 5 times 5 is 25, carry 2, and 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is plus 2, sorry, it's 12. So our volume here is equal to 125 cubic, or cm 3, or cubic centimeter. So that is the volume of our cube. For example, number 1. So let's proceed to second example, which is a rectangular prism. So we're going to use the formula V is equal to length times your width times your height. So our length here, it is 8. We're going to put 8 as our length times our width, which is 3, and our height, it is 4. Okay? 8 times 3, that is 24, multiplied by our last factor, which is 4. 4 times 4, that is 16, carry 1. 4 times 2, that is 8, plus 1, that is 9. So our volume here, for example, number 2, is 96. Our unit is feet, so cubic feet, or ft to the third power. So that is our volume here for our second example. For our last example, number 3, so it is also a rectangular prism, so we're going to use the formula V is equal to L, or length, times width times our height. Our length here is 4 meter, multiplied by our width, which is 2, multiplied by height, 10. So 4 times 2, that is 8, times 10. So volume here is 80. The unit is meter, and we're going to put 3, or we can read that as 80 cubic meter. That is how we find the volume of a cube with the formula V is equal to S cube, or V is equal to S times S times S. Or In our rectangular prism, we're going to use the formula V, or volume, is equal to length times width times height. Okay? Thank you for watching and have a good day.